Novotel Samui hillside apartment. You can see that goes down to the beach side, which is a fair walk up a hill. The rooms are great. Huge room, big bathroom, probably the biggest bathroom in a hotel we've stayed at. Shower, no door into the bathroom, bath, just the one sink and the dressing area, but very big. You can see the usual cupboards with hanging space. This side, same, with the usual safe. Into the bedroom, king size bed. It was actually a comfortable bed. Slept well every night. 7 nights here, it was great. There was no screening into the bathroom. They got a door here which you can shut off, but no window. It was just the timber bars and the curtain. Down there's the fridge, minibar, TV, a daybed lounge. Out here, this is the hillside I think I mentioned before. No real view from the room on the would I have paid the extra 300 or 400 Australian dollars to stay beachside? Maybe. Depends what you want to do. But it was worth saving. A little bit of a walk up the hill to get here, but it was fine. Overall, nice room and a great resort.